Wait, if your hair is falling out like never before, your follicles may be shut down right now. You may not believe this until you try these two simple natural remedy and you start seeing how your hair will grow like never before. Your bald spots will start regrowing, your tiny edges will start regrowing, no more tiny hair, no more hair fall, no more hair shedding, no more stagnant growth. These two simple natural remedy can grow your hair like never before if you can follow the full instruction and watch this video to the end.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time
Warning! This recipe is not for everyone. This recipe is for those that want to wake up their dormant hair follicles, those that are tired of seeing no results on their product, those that are tired of seeing their hair on their pillows, those that are tired of that stagnant growth, those that are tired of that tiny edges. If you are not one of them, please skip this video. So if you are ready, please let's dive into this video. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because this particular video I'm about to share with you today is a wake-up call to your scalp. Now, our first ingredient is green tea. You can use green tea bag, you can use natural green tea like the type I'm using right now. Any type of green tea you can reach your hand on, please grab it. It's a total game changer, okay? Green tea block the DHT, the main cause of hair loss. Green tea stimulates hair follicles, promote thicker hair strands, reduce excessive hair shedding, and help your hair to grow like never before. This green tea is something that you don't need to joke with. Green tea is very, very powerful. When your hair has stopped shedding excessively and when you stop losing a lot of hair, you have achieved your hair goals. This is the main problem that we are having: losing of hair, excessive hair shedding. That causes stagnant growth. That's the cause of thinning hair, and that's the cause of slow growth. When you prepare this particular recipe, you understand when I said that this particular recipe is not for everyone. Now let's move on to our second ingredient. Our second ingredient is ginger. Ginger is that powerful natural remedy that a lot of people are neglecting. Let me give you one secret. If your hair is not growing, try to be using ginger. Ginger will help you to wake up that your dormant hair follicles, activate your scalp, because the reason why your hair is not growing because your scalp is dormant. Your scalp have not activated. Once your scalp have activated and wake up, believe me, no matter what you apply on your hair, you will get that good result. Ginger is super powerful. There's no joke about that. People that know how powerful ginger is, they can testify about what I'm talking about now. But please, if you want to get good result with this recipe, make sure you use fresh ginger. Do not use powdered ginger for better result, because fresh ginger is more powerful than the powder one, okay? Ginger boosts blood circulation to your scalp, wake up dormant hair follicles, strengthen your roots, add shine and thickness to your hair. Guys, do you see the combination of this green tea and ginger? This is the bomb. If your hair is not growing, no matter what you have applied on your hair, you are seeing zero results, this particular recipe, do not skip it. Make sure you prepare it, use it exactly the way I will share with you. I kid you not, you will come back and testify, because this particular recipe is what no one is talking about. But this particular recipe is a total game changer. This will take your hair to the next level in a twinkle of eye. So what I just did here, as you can see, I just grate my ginger together with the skin. You can choose to peel off the skin of your ginger. After grating it, I measure 1 tablespoon of my ginger and 1 tablespoon of my green tea. If you are using the green tea bag, only thing you need to do is to use 1 bag or 2 bags of your green tea. Then how I prepare this, I just pour it into my clean jar, then add in my hot water to it. I would like this to infuse for 12 hours stroke overnight. You can just go ahead and boil it, but I will advise you to do infused method so that you'll be 100% sure that the nutrients of these two powerful ingredients, you have not lose them. Because boiling method is not everyone know the correct way to boil their DIY so that they can get good result by preventing the nutrient of that ingredient, so that you not be applying something that is less potent. So if you don't know the best way to boil your natural remedy to achieve better results with it, please go ahead and do infused method. I want everyone that struggle with those problems I shared earlier to try this particular recipe. I kid you not, you see crazy results on your hair if you use it the right way and also prepare it in a right way. This is a total game changer. So after leaving mine to sit for 12 hours stroke overnight, then this is the color. Do you see that ginger and the green tea have released their nutrients inside this powerful spray? This is the solution spray that we have been looking for. This is all you need. You don't need the green tea leaf, you don't need the ginger residues. What you need is that water that will pour inside the ginger and the green tea. That water is what we need to solve these our hair problems. So once I have transferred it to my spray bottle for easy application, now the most important thing now is how to use this to grow your hair. As you can see, I do not add any other thing to this. Like as I said, it's only two simple, powerful, effective natural ingredients I use for this recipe. So if you want to more further good results, you can go ahead and add essential oil to your own, but believe me, there's no need of essential oil with this particular recipe. Only these two powerful ingredients is 100% guarantee for your hair growth and tackle those your hair problems. So guys, this part is the game changer. How to apply this, because the application matters a whole lot. If you use it the wrong way, you will never achieve that good result you're supposed to achieve. So let me take you step by step how to use it. Very simple method, but very effective if you use it the right way. In a space of some weeks, you start getting crazy visible results with only this simple, too powerful recipe. Before I tell you guys how to use it, let me give you guys this one secret method, because I love you guys so much. Please always learn how to tuck your ends away. As you can see, I just losing my hair after moisturizing my hair. This is the way I normally keep my hair, and this helped me a whole lot to prevent breakage and also to keep my hair long time moisturized. Don't always allow your ends to fly away. It always leads to dryness. Dryness equals to breakage. Please protect your ends. You will love it so much. You will never regret it, because when your ends are weak, your hair will continue breaking. Okay, so learn how to protect the ends of your hair, okay, so that you can retain a lot of length and achieve that your hair goes. Please do this and you will never regret that. Okay, so now let's dive in on how to use this particular powerful, simple recipe to achieve your hair goals and to solve those your hair problems. First step you must do is to use this on a clean scalp and also on a clean strand of hair. If your hair is dirty, you have applied a lot of product on your hair and you feel it that your hair is dirty, your hair have built up, please don't use this recipe yet. Keep it once you wash your hair. That's when you can start using this. Please don't use this on top of dirty hair or on top of built up hair. Please avoid this so that you not come back and tell me that it did not see results. Okay, because product work on a clean scalp. To be honest with you, you can never get good results when you apply your product on a dirty hair, on a build-up scalp or a build-up hair strands. You can never get good results. If you want to test anything, any remedy or any product at all, use it on a clean hair, then watch that product on your hair. You see the good work of that product on your hair. So this particular recipe, don't use it on a dirty hair, don't use it on a build up hair, use it on a clean hair. Please for good results. Then focus on your scalp, that your edges, that your crown section, that your bald spots. Focus this particular recipe on them. Apply it in that your problem area. Massage it gently. Give yourself a gentle scalp massage, like 3 minutes to 5 minutes, even 7 minutes, as your strength can carry you. After massaging your scalp, the most important thing again you must do when you apply it on your hair strands, please work it in very well. Don't just apply it and allow it to sit on top of your hair strands. Use your hand to work it in very well. As you can see, the way I'll be doing it in this video, I'm working it in very well. Make sure that this have enter on my hair, especially if you are carrying braid. Braid is somehow difficult for product to enter very well on your hair than mini twins. Let me be honest with you, okay? So if you are carrying braid, whenever you are moisturizing your hair, whenever you are using any product on your hair, take your time and work that product in very well under your braid hair, so that you're 100% sure that that product have penetrate inside your hair. I love you guys so much. I want to give you guys the best tips so that it can start getting good results on your hair. Comment I love you too in the comment section below, okay? And I know that you really appreciate the whole effort I putting in this video, okay? Because I have given you guys the best tips that will help you to get good results on your hair products. So after working it in on your hair, the next thing you must do is to follow up with your leave-in conditioner. Oil your scalp, then use your leave-in conditioner on your hair strands. Don't use your leave-in conditioner on your scalp. Use only your oil on your scalp, then use your leave-in conditioner on your hair strands. Follow up with your butter on your hair strands. Guys, allow your hair to breathe. Please don't wash this out of your hair. If you want to get that good result, do not wash it out until your wash days. That's when you can wash it out, then you continue preparing this on your hair. Believe me, this will grow your hair 10 times fast. This is very simple to follow. So if you want more faster results, after applying this on your hair, cover up your hair with your shower cap. Allow it to steep for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Then remove the shower cap. Allow your hair to air dry. Repeat this 3 times or 4 times in a week. I kid you not, in 1 week alone, you will see crazy results on your hair. I'm not joking. I'm proud to share this recipe with you guys because it have helped a lot of people around me. Even me, it have helped me a whole lot. Thickening up my hair, help me to retain a lot of length. Please try it and come back and share your testimony with me. I can't wait to hear from you, okay? So for the storage, you can store this recipe on the fridge only 7 days to 5 days. Anywhere that remaining after 7 days to 5 days, please discard it and make a fresh batch, because after 5 days to 7 days it have losing in potence. Is now less potent. That means it will not do good work again on your hair, okay? Just go ahead and prepare a fresh one. If you can follow this step I just shared with you, within a few days you start noticing less shedding. Within 1 week to 2 weeks, your hair will look more stronger, more thicker, visible result, and very healthy hair. I'm not joking, guys. This recipe will help you a whole lot, okay? So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Please, if you have not liked this video, do wait to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification. The most important part, share this video to your family and friends so that you'll be helping sisters, brothers out there, okay? Believe me, they will thank you, very big thank you, when you share this recipe with them, okay? So guys, I have come to end of today's video. Please let me know if you'll be trying this for 7 days and come back and tell me your results, okay? Just let me know, okay? And you'll never regret it. I love you guys so much, but God Almighty love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.